When you really want something, but it's out of reach. Don't just reach. Remember to say the magic word. Please. Ah. When you want a toy, but it's just too high to reach. Don't get upset. Just smile and say the magic word, please. Whenever a friend does something kind or gives you a gift, always show your big smile and say a kind. Thank you. Playing alone with your toys isn't nearly as much fun as playing together. Be a hero and remember to share. When a big sneeze is coming and your nose starts to tickle. Cover your mouth. It's the polite way to keep everyone healthy. When you really want to go down the slide right now. One, two, three. Take a deep breath and wait for your turn. Patience is key.